Just to see how it's changed. But I'll tell you, it's actually been really kind of fun too.
But just for the hams out there, I thought I'd tell you, Eric, there were about 10 or 15 times that I actually went over to the console, put my finger on the switch that would turn us non-directional, because I wanted to see if I could get calls from other parts of the country. I came within just that much of turning that baby non-directional. I can't tell you how many times, but I was in mortal fear of the Federal Communications Commission, and I was sure they would come marching in and chop my head off within minutes. So,
or if they're like fully involved and they're like helping production and lights and they're helping with the inbox and behind the scenes and all this sort of stuff, it would likely be a combination of all of that. But yeah, it's kind of like a question of how integrated that new person would be.
That maybe you learned along the way, or maybe somebody imparted to you.
That as a conservative
I don't know if it's necessarily business
Anything
advice
else
doing right now. You're going to school concurrently with all of this craziness happening, obviously. How much,
from other
if
people.
at all,
I had
did
John Lear on. I
kind of your online life and your campus life intersect, or were they pretty much completely separate?
Doing some
I tried to keep them separate. Yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, I go to class. There's occasionally a class that like directly. Like I had a class called, I'm pretty sure it was called like social media or something like that.
And
like in the class, we were literally learning about Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna learn about this stuff and I'll be able to apply it to real life. But like time management wise, like it was always separate. So I would go to class, I have class hours, and when I'm done with class, I'm done with homework, and then I'm full on YouTube video mode.